Hey everybody and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how can you install Optifine on your Minecraft launcher. It's pretty easy and I'll show how you do it. So we're going to first of all open any browser that you're using and then you're going to search for Optifine. Once you search for Optifine, you're going to click on Optifine, and then on Optifine you're going to click on downloads, okay? Now on downloads you're going to use whatever link you want to use, okay? In my case I'll use the let's say 1.18, and then you're going to click on download, okay? Once you click on download, just wait and do not click on anything on this. This is an ad. You're going to go on the top right and click on skip. Once you click on skip, you're going to be meeting with this web page. You're going to click on download. I'm going to download it in whatever place you want. In my case, I'll download it in downloads. And then once I've actually downloaded it on downloads, okay, it's actually going to continue downloading. Once it's downloaded, I'll go onto my downloads folder, and then I'll get, as you can see, it's Optifine 1.18 UHD. Okay, once I have it over here, I'm going to paste it on my desktop, and then I'm going to click on it, double left click, and as you can see, it's going to open this. Once it opens this, you're going to click on install, and now it's going to start installing Optifine for you. And as you can see, Optifine is successfully installed. You're going to click on OK, and then you're going to launch your Minecraft launcher. Okay, then when it launches Minecraft, as you can see, it's loading right now. Now Optifine is going to be a separate version, and I'll show you how you can actually access that version. Now it's loading. Now once you load in Minecraft, if you go on installation, as you can see, you have Optifine 1.18 HD UH3. Once you now how we can actually access this version, you're going to go onto your play, and then you're going to click Optifine, and then you're going to click on play. This is how you can download Optifine for your Minecraft. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.